I've got here a set of 6 Verum socket chisels. These are based off the old Stanley 750 series of socket chisels. And what we have is a Bubinga turned handle. This is a taper on the end of it, which goes into the socket on the chisel body itself. We've got chisels which have plenty of steel left in them, so they're really quite strong, but they have been ground down to a 0.7mm land or edge. So we've got a good strong chisel, so you tap it, your tap is going down through here, getting the socket tighter into the chisel, but actually delivering all that power through to that cutting edge. If you wanted to remove the handles, and some people do when they do their sharpening because they're not getting dirty, take the chisel, tap it on the bench, and the handle will come out. It's this taper that gets driven into the socket that really holds them together. Some people would like to be able to take the handles out quite easily. If you'd rather them more semi-permanent fix, if we spray them with some hairspray, it basically glues them in. If you want them to be a permanent fixture pretty much forever, then I'd make sure they're nicely cleaned out and then put araldite on them, and you can then araldite them in for long term. For more information on our sets of Verum chisels or our individual socket chisels, look at us at woodworkersworkshop.co.uk. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook and our YouTube channel.